Hola, today I will show you Taut-line hitch. Very useful nut hitch that we can take and tighten down our tarp or our tent. Okay, this there is our fixed end, and the paracord is going around the tree, and this is our work end. What we do, we grab like this, go down the big paracord with our working end, and we must turn around here and inside, go to inside. And like this we do 2, or for my likings 3 times, 2 and 3. You see, all stay inside. When we're done with inside, same way we pass and go here to outside. Same direction, but here we make a loop and we go in. When we are in, we just tighten down. Why we make this loop here? Because it's quick release. We do and undo everything. Let's do another time. We just go inside, and here we tighten down. And it's very nice, easy nut to do. And when we take everything together, we move it, and it's tightened. When we must lose the strength, we just move another way. Or for tightening the tent or paracord, in this case, we just move to this side. It looks like this, very nice, to both sides. See? That is Taut-line hitch for tightening your tarp, for tightening your paracord. And now, if you want, there is another video for another nut, useful nut, very useful nut for camping.